All right, next question here. Find the larger of two numbers, write a function that takes two integers as input and returns the larger of the two. Okay, so let's just call this guy, well, it's going to return an int, since it's going to return the larger of the two numbers, not display them, but return them. So int, let's just call this return largest. I'll have this guy taking an int A and an int B. We'll prototype it up there. We'll go ahead and implement it below. We'll ask the question, if A is greater than B, then we're going to return A. Now, we could put an else here, or we can just say return B, because if we got to this line right here, this function immediately ended and we returned A. So if we're still alive when we get to this line, we can just return B. But if you prefer, you can always put it inside of an else. It's not going to hurt anybody. Right, so there's our return largest. Let's go ahead and test this. So we'll call return largest on 5 and 7. We expect this to give us a 7. Now again, remember, this guy returns a value. It does not display a value. So if I just run this right now, we're not going to see any output. I can display directly the output that I got out of there. And now we'll see that 7 is the larger of those two numbers. There's our 7. But remember, since I didn't store this anywhere, I can't use that result again. So if I need to use the result again, I can maybe say int answer is equal to return largest, passing it a 207 and an 81, let's say. And then I can do cout answer. All right, so 207 should be larger than 81. And there's our 207. All right.